Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis for the 30th of January. So in store for tomorrow we have some GBP news around 12 p.m. so midday in UK time, and that's just regarding the Bank of England policy report as well as the official bank rate. So big news will come out and then affect the pound. And then at 1:30 p.m. shortly after, we've got some US dollar news, and that's some information about the GDP quarterly of the year, so we can just justify how well the US dollar is strengthening over in the quarter of this the previous year. So what we are looking at now with GBP USD is the retest again of our reversal zone. I remember yesterday speaking about that we came into this price reversal zone and followed that bullish pressure to the upside. So if you still are in this trade, you should be still within this range. We could expect, especially with tomorrow, a manipulation in this area again. So potentially, if we don't see an early start to the upside, consider potentially take some trade off the table, or potentially get into this trade, and we could potentially see a long play here. Just depends upon that news though, so just be vigilant along that. Euro USD, we've come to test the bottom zone of our reversal area. That was just today. So we had a clear buy signal here, rejection of this followed by bullish pressure to the upside. So we do have a little bit of pressure here, so we'll see how well this buy signal will last for. USD JPY, we had a short opportunity in the early hours of this morning, but came back up for a retest. So not to worry if you did miss out. You had a good, about a good 12 hours to figure, obviously get into the trade, and obviously testing some further levels, but we'll see if this will continue it to the downside. And finally with gold, we can see that we spoke about this level here and this monthly key level 1563, and we clearly bounced off this. So did say to just pre-warn yourself, but as we can see, we had that huge up run, and that was influenced by the US dollar news that we had today, the FOMC meeting, and we could potentially see this being retested into this area here. So if you did have a short, I would potentially start to look to close it and consider an opportunity and see how it reacts in this area again. So essentially that will be all for today, and like I said, always just keep an eye out for tomorrow around midday-ish UK time for the pound news, and then following just a little bit afterwards we have the US dollar GDP news as well, so that will have some obviously effect on US dollar major pairs really. So yeah, so that will be all. Make sure you're obviously following our other videos as well, the analysis videos, and hopefully these are helping yourselves. So make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel for all the future analysis videos. So that will be all from us. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.